Now, part 3. In part 3, I'm going to ask you a few questions about common items which we lose. What are some common items that people tend to lose easily?
Well, as far as I concerned, there are various items that people often lose, such as keys, ID card, ATM card, and student ID card. You know, today life is very hurry and people doing ample of tasks in their daily life, and in this hurry and sorry, let me start again. In this hustle and bustle, people often forget their precious items which are valuable. So I think these are few things that people often forget.
What are the reasons why people often misplace or lose things?
Well, it has many reasons. As far as I concerned, today people are quite anxious psychologically because environment is very, let me start again. People are psychologically anxious. People thought ample of things that I have to do this, I have to do this, without focusing clearly on present task. So in this hurry and hustle and bustle life, people forget various things.
What do people often do after losing things?
Well, it depends on person to person. Suppose if a person who is sorry, let me start again. It depends on person to person. Some people some people think that I am responsible of my life, that he or she has controlled in world, while some others think that others are responsible for my life. If an individual who thinks that I am responsible of my life, then obviously he thinks that I am responsible for that blunder that I did. On the other hand, if someone is think that someone other's part, let's suppose mother, elder brother or elder sister is responsible for my life, so
Mhm.
he obviously blamed them.
Good. Great. Okay. What should parents do to teach their children not to lose things?
Well, there are different methods that should be implemented
Mhm.
to teach their children.
Mm.
Firstly, I think the learning process is very fast when we are in our teenage life and is also in our transition phase. So in this stage, parents should teach their parents through verbal communication. I mean verbal communication, proper instructions
Mm.
regarding what are the importance of things and
Mm.
what will happen if we lose or forget these things. Apart from it, parents should use some punishment. You know, theory and psychological theories shed light that punishment and reinforcement strengthen the behavior, and the behavior, either the behavior is positive or negative. So parents, if think it is important, they should punish their children.
Good. Are there any good ways to remind us not to forget or lose things?
Yes, there are plethora of ways
Hmm.
that assist an individual not to forget their things. For example, if he or she thinks that I forget my things oftenly, he or she must make a checklist where he mark, tick those items he or she has, and cross if he or she has not.
My last question is, could technology be used to help us find things?
Well, that's quite a different question to answer. Let me think. As far as I concerned, it depends on where we live. For example, in developed countries, suppose Japan and US have many resources, and in underdeveloping countries where there are fewer technologies as compared to developed.
Mhm.
So if I talk about especially on underdeveloping countries, Pakistan, so here we implement technology is quite difficult because people face various obstacles to fulfill their necessary demands. So how it is possible to utilize technology just not to forget their basic need, sorry, just not to forget their items.
Good. Thank you so much. That is the end of your speaking practice test. Wish you good luck.